Spice up your meals with homemade chili sauce. There's nothing quite like the bold, zesty flavor of a sauce you've made yourself. And today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create your own spicy masterpiece right in your kitchen. Hey everyone, if you love adding a fiery kick to your dishes, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to make an unbelievably tasty chili sauce right at home, and trust me, it's going to be your new secret weapon in the kitchen. Whether you're a spice lover or just want to add a little excitement to your meals, this recipe is for you. First, let's run through the simple ingredients you need. These are all easy to find, and you might already have most of them in your pantry or fridge. 10 fresh red chilies, preferably the spicier variety for that extra punch, 4 cloves of garlic peeled, 1 small onion peeled and roughly chopped, 2 tablespoons vinegar, which adds tang and helps preserve the sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar to balance out the heat and acidity, juice of 1 lime for a fresh citrusy zing, 1 teaspoon salt to enhance all the flavors, 3 tablespoons water to help blend everything together. That's it! All fresh, all easy to find. You don't need any fancy ingredients or equipment, just a few basics and you're good to go. Now let's get cooking. Start by wearing gloves. Those chilies mean business. Slice the chilies in half and remove the seeds if you want a milder sauce. If you love heat, leave them in. Remember, the seeds and membranes are where most of the heat lives, so adjust according to your spice tolerance. Roughly chop the onion and garlic. Don't worry about making them perfect. Everything's going into the blender soon. Next, toss the chilies, onion and garlic into a blender. Add vinegar, sugar, lime juice, salt and water. Blend until smooth. You want a nice even texture, but if you like a chunkier sauce, you can pulse it a few times instead of blending all the way. If the mix is too thick, just add a splash more water. You want it pourable but not watery. Pour the mixture into a saucepan and simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. This helps all those gorgeous flavors to meld together and also thickens the sauce slightly. Stir occasionally so nothing sticks to the bottom. Let it cool, then pour into a clean glass jar. Store it in the fridge. It'll keep for up to 2 weeks. The flavors actually get better as it sits, so don't be afraid to make it ahead of time. You can drizzle this chili sauce over eggs, stir it into noodles, or even add it to soups and stir-fries for a big flavor boost. It's also fantastic as a dipping sauce for dumplings, spring rolls, or even fries if you're feeling adventurous. And here's a pro tip. Try it with lemon chicken. It's a match made in heaven. The tangy, spicy sauce pairs perfectly with the savory chicken, making every bite unforgettable. So next time you want to take your meal from bland to brilliant, whip up a batch of this homemade chili sauce. It's a simple way to add excitement and personality to your food, and you'll be amazed at how much flavor it brings. It's easy, it's fresh, and it's absolutely addictive. Once you try it, you'll never want to go back to store-bought sauces again. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, share your valuable comments, and share it in social groups, which will motivate us to deliver more delicious recipes. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you even more tasty ideas. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!